Lumens, your reliable partner.
This video will demonstrate how to use CamConnect with an introduction to the software and its interface. This video is in 4 parts. Let's take a look at what equipment you need. You'll need the CamConnect software to install on a computer, a USB camera, like the Lumens VCR30, an array microphone, which is compatible with CamConnect. Step 2. Install software. Go to mylumens.com and click on the download page, then type CamConnect in the search bar. Now download the installation file. Please complete the following steps to complete the installation. Now we're going to do the initial hardware setup. Install your microphone on the ceiling of the room and connect it to a network switch. Launch CamConnect software and select your microphone. Fill in the microphone's IP address. On the right-hand side, synchronize the microphone's pickup zones with the camera's preset positions. In the Advanced Settings tab, you can set a delay time before a preset is triggered. You can also set the home position. The camera will return to this preset if there is a pause in a discussion or presentation. Finally, click link to connect the software and camera. In the PTZ tab, you can quickly set each camera preset to match the position of guests in the meeting room. Once all the preset positions have been set, close this tab to go back to the main CamConnect page. Now, click link to finalize connection with the microphone. You are now ready to use CamConnect. Let's see how it works. As you can see, when an individual in position 5 begins speaking, the microphone automatically triggers the camera to frame that delegate. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.